Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming part 1 of my January haul from Planner Kate. And so a couple weeks ago she had the grab bags on sale, and so I picked up one grab bag and 2 of the sampler packs. And so my order came in, and so I'm going to go through my order with you. So I'm going to first show you what I got in the sampler. So this is my stack. And so the grab bag is sheets that aren't necessarily cut perfect, and there's just mistakes. So the first one that I got are these holidays, and I don't know if you can see this, but there is a cut across the top of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, Easter, Grandparents' Day, and Winter Begins. But the rest of them are perfect. So that was sheet number 1. And then I got, I think this is a personal monthly for kit 62I. I'm not entirely sure what's wrong with this one. So that's that. And then I got this sheet, which is the sidebar stickers for kit 59, and this is Purple Heart. I know this for a fact. And this is great because I actually am going to be using this kit in February, and so I can just use it then. I also got this sheet of appointment labels. And I think the reason that these are in a grab bag is because some of these are cut a little funky. But honestly, they work either way. And then I did get another full box, half box sheet of Purple Heart. I got the vertical Erin Condren vertical sheet for, I think this kit is called Romance. So it'll be very interesting to see how I combine this with the personal sheet. But I'm actually kind of glad I've got the headers. And then I got this sheet, which is the mini kit for the plaid. I love the colors of the mini kit. And then I got this sheet of bathtubs. And then I got this, I think this is the personal monthly. I think the other one was the pocket. But I got this for January. And then I got the Erin Condren monthly page 2 in Romance. And then I got this sheet. It says it's C222. But I think this is going to be very interesting in like July when there's a lot of navy. I loved the colors of that washi. Okay, and so then now onto my samplers. So I got samplers in the grab, so if you can see my samplers. I got samplers in the grab bag, and then I got samplers with my order, and then I got 2 sampler packs. So there's a lot of samplers. So this is the first sampler, and there's going to be a cat. I don't know. Can you see? You probably can't even see him. Let me see if he'll... Kitten. So, I don't know, I don't remember what I was doing, but okay. So, I always get a business card from Planner Kate. And then, I think these first few were like misfit samplers, because some of these, the sticker backing is pulled off, but the icons themselves are just fine. And then this one is missing one, but I mean, doesn't matter. Then this one got cut weird. And then this one is also missing one. And I think there was one more. Maybe it was this one. It is kind of cut funny where this red one is. But honestly, if one sticker out of these things is weird, the rest of them are just fine. And then, so this was sample, or my grab bag number 1. So I got these cute checklists, the script boxes, these flag boxes, another header sheet, the bill due, then this one with the flower, and then this one with the icons and the basic labels, a water tracker sheet, some double dots, and this cute little envelope in Planner Kate. And then this one is new to me. It's got the circles with half is dark, half is lighter. I'm gonna have to figure out a use for this. So that was sampler pack 1. And then sampler pack 2, I got these boxes, which I love using these in my monthly. Another bill due, another double dots, these kind of appointment labels, another script box, another flag box, some more scallop labels, some more checklists, some of these stripy boxes, and then this sheet where it's got the rainbow boxes, some mini icons, and then some, I think these are for the personal monthly, but I just love how small they are. And then, so this group was the freebies that I actually got with my order, and so she's been sending out this really cute Planner Kate sticker. And then I got some more scallop labels, the rainbow boxes, and then mini icons, some glitter boxes, and then this one, which I love, clean, you know, kind of like the fun icons, and then some more checklists. Hi guys, and welcome back to part 2 of my haul. So just in case it's a little bit different, I did switch rooms in which I'm going to be filming, so let me know how you like this part 2. I'm still getting used to like being in here, so it might sound a little echoey, I'm not sure. So anyway, we will see. So I have 2 different orders that I am going to be hauling today. So my first order was my March items. So let me get into some order here. So the first thing that I decided to pick up was my March monthly kit, and I went with this one. And I just loved how it has the pink and the green, and it's not overly St. Patrick's Day-y, but it's still, I really wanted to bring in a lot of the green because I do love the color green. So I've got this sheet, and then I also picked up, and this is the Erin Condren sheet 1, Erin Condren sheet 2. And then I did pick up this one with the days that are not in the month and a bunch of labels and the sidebar. So that's that first one, and then I also picked up the weekly kit in the same pattern. And I just thought these full boxes were so pretty, especially like this one with the really beautiful florals. It really did remind me of spring. So this is the full box half box sheet. And then I also did get the personal hourly sheet as well. So there's that. And then, because I think that kit is going to be the kit that I use for St. Patrick's Day, and I did want to bring in a little bit of St. Patrick's Day-ness. So I did pick up Planner Kate's deco sheet. So this is S971, and I just thought those were really cute. And there are several things that I can use that don't necessarily have to be for St. Patrick's Day, but I just thought that was just pretty. So there's that. And then to finish off my monthly, I did pick up a sheet. This is the add-on of the itty bitty icons. When I was doing my January monthly spread, I liked the icons that I picked up, and I was able to use them throughout the weeks in January, but I found that they were almost too big, which is funny. So I decided for the March to pick up the itty bitty icons. So I picked up the itty bitty icons. And then the last sheet that I picked up was this second sheet for the mini kit pink plaid. I had received the first sheet in the Misfit bag that you saw earlier in the video. And so I decided to pick up the second sheet so I could use this. And I think I'm going to be using this probably in March or April, I think. I would have to check my schedule. I am going to show you how I organize all of my Planner Kate stickers according to when I'm going to be using them eventually. I did want to redo, I've got two different binders. One I use for all of my kits, and the other one I use for like more of my icons. And I did want to redo my icon binder, which I still haven't done yet. So that video is forthcoming. Okay, so the second order that I wanted to share today, or well, technically the third order, but the second order from this part of the video, I ordered on it was her sale celebrating National Sticker Day, so I think it was Tuesday, and today is Saturday, and I received them today. I love how fast Planner Kate gets the stickers out to me in the mail. It's amazing. So here are the freebies that I got. So I got the Planner Kate sticker, some of these stickers which have a little checkbox and the more whited out end, a sheet of weather stickers, some glitter, quarter boxes, the script with the icons, and then just some, I think these are the monthly color appointment labels. So that's the freebies that I got. And then I picked up two of the mini kits, and so let's go through those first. So this first one is Mini Kit 8, and this is called Spring Fling. And I just thought that the colors of this was just so perfect. It's got the navy, which I am obsessed with blue, but then it also had the pops of green and the coral and the yellow, so it'll be perfect for a week in spring. So this is the first sheet, and then this is the second sheet. So that's that. And then the second kit I picked up was Mini Donut. So this is the first kit, and this is all in shades of, I would say like a tealy color, very much the same color as you would find up at the top of Planner Kate. And then the side washi is all donuts, and it's that tealy color, and then it has some coral and black sprinkles. I just thought that was so pretty. And then the second sheet is all kind of the same tealy color, but it does have a full box that is the donuts, and then the bottom, this washi on the side is more of a sprinkly with the pops of coral. And then the last sheet that I ordered was this Dorky Doodles collab, and let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So this is her reading quote stickers, and I just thought that was, I mean, if you guys knew me in real life, I read all the time, and I just thought these were adorable. So I'll just go through some of these with you. I read past my bedtime. I can't, I'm booked. A book a day keeps reality away. So many books, so little time. Starlight, Starbright, read me a book and kiss me goodnight. This journal belongs to. I'd rather be reading. When one book closes, another one opens. I love story time. Reading is the magic key that takes you where you want to be. I like big books and I cannot lie. Don't judge a book by its cover. Between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. And that just goes on to repeat. So I just thought these were so cute. Okay, and that is it for January's haul. So thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button to be notified of when I post videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.